My experience from moving from Blackboard to Moodle has been very rich because I act as a first point of contact between the two institutions. So far, luckily, I can say that we are on track, and that's only been possible because of the very good professionalism between both sides, from ULCC and the Bloomsbury colleges. We definitely know what we want, and ULCC were very helpful to show us what things we can achieve and what things would be tricky, and to show us the path between how can we go around the mountain instead of going straight up the hill.
The Moodle online forums that are like help and support online and troubleshooting areas. All I usually end up doing is Googling a question that I might have in relation to Moodle, and I can tell you about 90% of the time I will have a response to my question. If I found that I haven't had a response to the question, it will be literally a case of emailing the Moodle user group list. And further to that, we have ULCC as our support, and they've done just as much of a positive job as we would expect. At the end of the day, we're learning technologists. Our job is to provide a support for our students and our academics. And as a challenge, it's part of the job.
In terms of support, we should identify what kind of support we are talking about. When it's a question of generic support, when you have questions, I really found useful the Moodle UK JISC mailing list. It's a perfect one-stop shop for simple questions, how to do simple things, because people who are posting messages on this list are very experienced and they're happy to share. In terms of support that it's relevant to the Bloomsbury Moodle instances, I'm really happy to call or email ULCC, and particularly our service manager Emily Walker, and all the technologists from her team. They are very helpful, very prompt responses, and they really give me helpful tips on how to do things quick.
The one thing we probably didn't have was training. Now, we were the guinea pigs, of course, so that made it a little bit harder, but it is relatively easy to use even without the training, so let me say that up front. But training would have been nice just to have a chance to play around with it before we started using it. So, for example, the fact that there are other forums other than news forums was something we discovered 6 months into the year, midway through term 2, rather than something we could have discovered up front and set it up and started to use it. So things like that I think would have been useful. Training, also support, but we're lucky that we do have other support, in that if I need to know how to load something on, we have an administrator who's trained to do that. But yes, training would be the big one for us.
Yeah, the move to Moodle is actually quite exciting because it's making us actually have a think about what we're actually delivering to our students. So it's a time for us to sit back, think, what do we want to offer? Obviously there's the basic course materials you might put up there, but what tools do you want to use? In terms of, do you want to have some live interactive sessions? Do you want to put in quizzes, that sort of thing? And that's actually making us have a think and look to see what we can develop within our course.